Welcome to Unit Flow, a unit converter built for users who want fast, accurate conversions across common categories like length, weight, area, speed, data, and temperature. It keeps the workflow simple with precision control, swap support history, and a copy action for the final result. We are now on the convert screen. The user first chooses a category, then enters a value, picks a source unit, and selects the target unit. As soon as those controls change, unit flow recalculates the result and shows it in the main output area. The precision slider lets the user adjust how many decimal places appear, which is useful when the conversion needs to be rounded more tightly or shown with more detail. The conversion logic handles ordinary unit families by ratio, and it uses proper offset formulas for temperature, which is an important detail because temperature does not convert like a simple multiplier. The swap units button flips the source and target units instantly, which is especially helpful when the user is moving between the same pair of measurements in both directions. Copy result sends the current conversion text to the clipboard so it can be reused elsewhere without retyping. Next, we open the history screen. Unitflow keeps recent conversions locally and lists them as compact records with the full conversion text and the time they were made. This gives the user a quick reference for earlier calculations during the same session. Moving on to the guide screen, the app explains the basic workflow clearly. It reminds the user to choose a category, select the source and target units, and adjust precision as needed. It also calls out that temperature uses offset formulas, that swap flips the unit pair immediately, and that copy sends the current result to the clipboard. And that is unit flow, a straightforward converter that makes everyday unit changes fast, accurate, and easy to revisit.